If you've bought a camera and you're not getting photos like this for landscape or this for cityscape or black and white like this, I can help. My name is Serge Ramani and my work is in 120 galleries around the world. And years ago, I found something called the natural drama formula. What is that? That is a way of retouching photos so they are not over-retouched or under-retouched. They just create an amazing impact. But I don't want you to show your work and people say, it's photoshopped, or you use a filter as the first emotional reaction. I want people to look at your photo and go, wow, it's amazing. The first photos I took for 5 years were awful as a photographer. Really either over-retouch or under-retouch until I found the natural drama formula. And I started a little coaching program and I helped people like Bob Diamante went from this to that. Ricardo Fracassi went from this to that. Clifton Haley went from this to that. JT, after finishing the coaching program, went on to win 38 international awards. Sherry Keane made 12 magazine covers, and Jacob Board made over $1 million in 3 years selling photography products. I can really help. I can help you create the effect you want to do. Did you ever travel somewhere? I remember spending $5,000 going to Venice, and every photo that I took were awful. You need to master or create an impact with your photography without being over-retouched. You also need to work on composition and camera settings. I would love to see you work, to see where you're at as a photographer. Book a call with me and my team so that I can review your work and we can see if we're a good fit for each other. I'll tell you a little story. Last week I was in New York and I met a very wealthy man who sold a big bank, and he was so sad because he spent his entire life, making lots of money and traveling the world, and he had no more game in life. And he was literally praying every day until he can find a passion. And he found the passion of photography. And then he found me and I was able to really help him to create the photo that he wanted. It's crazy, but it looked like he had a new chance in life, a new hope. It gave him so much happiness. I really believe that happiness comes from having dreams and ambition, and being able to create the effect you want to create as an artist is very important. And I can truly help. I've done it with a lot of people. My work is in 120 galleries around the world. I've published 7 coffee table books, and soon my book number 8 on London. I'm an award-winning photographer. I won first place in a really big competition in 2018. And for this photo of the Hollywood sign. And last year, I was picked out of 70 photographers to become the official photographer of Las Vegas. I would love to see you work. Let's book a call and let's talk and see if we're a good fit for each other.